Greetings, fellow word sleuths, and welcome back to Etymology-Expert. Today, we're delving into a phrase that reminds us to approach claims with skepticism. Take it with a grain of salt. We use this idiom to suggest that information might not be entirely accurate, recommending a touch of doubt when assessing it. But why a grain of salt? Get ready to uncover a nuanced history that spans centuries and cultures. When you take something with a grain of salt, you're essentially being cautious. You're not dismissing the information entirely, but you're retaining a sense of skepticism, aware that it might not be completely reliable or credible. It's a metaphor for a discerning approach in evaluating what we hear. Yet, to understand why we use salt in this expression, we'll journey back to ancient times where salt had both literal and symbolic significance. To trace the origins of this idiom, we travel to the time of ancient Rome, to a world where salt was invaluable, not just as a commodity, but as a symbol laden with spiritual and medicinal meanings. The early iterations of this phrase are linked to a fascinating story involving the Roman general and writer, Pliny the Elder. In his extensive work, Naturalis Historia, Pliny documented knowledge of his time, covering a wide range of subjects, including natural remedies and poisons. According to Pliny, there was an antidote for poison that involved the addition of a grain of salt. The belief was that consuming a grain of salt would make a person immune or resistant to certain toxins. This idea reflected a broader cultural view that salt had purifying and protective properties. It played a role in religious and culinary practices as something that could both preserve and purify. Now consider the broader symbolic meaning of salt. In ancient societies, salt was incredibly valuable, traded as a precious commodity, and used to preserve food, ensuring survival in times when refrigeration was non-existent. Beyond its physical uses, salt's association with preservation and wellness extended to metaphorical interpretations. It became a symbol of wisdom and wit, a crystallizer of truth amidst uncertainty. Over time, the concept of taking a grain of salt was imbued with the notion of approaching dubious information with a protective, discerning perspective. The idiom evolved into its current form, suggesting not a literal use of salt, but an intellectual caution, mixing skepticism with openness. Additionally, think about the language crossover. It's interesting to note that in many cultures, phrases involving salt often carry connotations of wisdom, practicality, and prudence. This idiom, however, is most commonly traced back to English translations and adaptations from earlier Latin expressions and tales like those of Pliny. So, when you hear information that might seem exaggerated or questionable, take it with a grain of salt. Remember Pliny's antidote and the ancient appreciation of salt as a guardian against poison. Understand it as a figurative shield used to sift through information in search of truth, employing both doubt and discernment. And there you have it. That's today's journey into the captivating depths of language. Did you know about the ancient roots of this idiom? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed peeling back the layers of this linguistic gem, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Etymology-Expert for more intriguing explorations into the history of words and phrases. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.